Today we are going over our 3-part hydraulic cylinder lift cylinder on the CAT 299 and 289 repair kit. This is for when you need to replace the barrel but don't want to spend $2,600. With CAT, we have a $900 kit that includes a brand new barrel, pressure tested, and this is 1/4-inch steel instead of 3/16 steel. We have a brand new bearing pressed in to the end of the barrel, and we have the 4-piece piston ring kit. In this case, we were able to reuse the piston. If you do need a new piston, if it's damaged beyond usability, here we have a little bit of damage, but we can still use it. These we can offer for $150 as well. These 4 pieces go in here. The blue and the larger rubber gasket goes in the middle slot, and the 2 smaller rings go in the outer slots. Now you do want to install them on your piston rod with red Loctite and tighten them down very well. You can use an oil filter wrench, you can use a wrench, or if you have a spanner tool to install them. I like to hang mine from the actual machine. That way I can get enough leverage to really tighten that down once I put the Loctite on. You can see we have the piston rings installed in this one. This one's ready to assemble. We'll be doing that as well. And the cap in this case is reusable, so we didn't have to replace that. And then this will get red Loctite as well once you assemble. After we replace the arms and install the cylinders, the next move is to clean this block here. We have 3 screws on the bottom that removes that and drops everything down. You need to disconnect the solenoids, disconnect your hoses, remove everything, clean all the ports out, remove these screws to clean those ports as well. And then down here in our hydraulic reservoir, we disconnect that, we drain our reservoir completely, clean in there really good, and then replace with a new screen filter from CAT. This way we don't get any more debris from the seals being blown and the metal debris inside of the system.